Turn on the power. Computer auto start. Computer finish booting. Power up the print headboard again. Press done. You can see that the bonus light is on. Indicates successful startup. Raise the nozzle. Doing nozzle maintenance. To the left. Nozzle rises automatically after twisting. Stops when it senses a line position. Twists back into position. Take out a dust-free cloth. Get it completely wet. With ordinary tap water, it is best to use distilled water or pure water. Fold it in half 3 times. Fold it into a long strip. From the bottom of the nozzle. From the top. Gently pressed against the nozzle. Slowly rubbing downwards. Fold it once. Wipe again with a clean side. The important thing to note here is that the dust-free cloth should be wetted and twisted into about 85 dry. Not too wet. 2 to 3 wipe tests in total to the software interface. Connect will be displayed in the bottom left corner. In case of disconnect, need to restart power to print headboard. Open in the top left corner of the software interface. Find the image to be printed here. Select the image and click Open. Waiting for the image to be read. Click on a task. A preview image will appear on the right. This icon is an image of the entire folder being imported. This icon is the start of printing. When all the parameters have been set, you can click on Start Printing. The pause function is not available. This is to stop printing. Click to open. Find the water test chart. Click on a task. Here is where you set the number of prints. After modifying the value, you need to click on Set. The value is saved successfully. This will also be changed to the corresponding value here. Click to start printing. Waiting for data to be sent successfully. First, observe whether the height of the nozzle is appropriate. To do a dust-free cloth to test the nozzle. Nozzle height if too high. Lower the nozzle. Adjust to the right height. Then start the belt. Adjust the speed of the belt to around 5. Belt running speed. It is the turn of this knob. You can also observe the print speed of the screen. Click to start printing. After that, put in the ingredients. Place 2 sheets in a row. Okay. We may see the first picture. It is a little short of color. This one is waterproof ink. One of its features. More likely to cause dry nozzles. But the second one, it would be perfect when we want to print a pattern. It is also best to put in 2 or 3 unused products first. Then you can put the materials you need to print. Put in the ingredients. Now start printing the image on a paper cup sheet. Click to open. Select image. Click on a task. Changing the number of copies printed. After setting the quantity, remember to click Set. Click to start printing. Waiting for data to be sent successfully. Running bags. Put the ingredients in first. After the product has been printed, we can see that the position is a little downwards, off to the left. You need to click Stop Printing first. Adjusting data for X margin and Y margin. If you want the image to move up a little, need to increase the value of X margin. X margin to 15. Image needs to be moved to the right. Reduce the value of Y margin. Y margin to 165. After setting, remember to click Set to save the data. Click again to start printing, waiting for data to be sent successfully. Put in a product. Observe. Print position of images. It would be more in line with the requirements. It also moves up and is also more centered. Then if the adjustment is completed, we can then start putting in materials and print production. And one more. Up and down movement of the nozzle. This hand screw can be used. Loosen this hand screw. Nozzle can be moved up or down. After adjustment, fix the screws. Then we need to come. Observe if the print is in good condition. Are there any questions? After no questions. After we make sure the parameters are set, officially put in materials to start printing.